Linky AI free coins. So can you get them? So in here you have wallet, and here when you go to wallet, I see it in a get free daily coins, and then it just says, oh, well, you need to upgrade in here to get ad free and claim 600 free coins in here. So that's basically a bit of a lie, because you still need to upgrade with $10 per month to get these free coins. But also they have this option where you can get free coins by watching short videos. So this is where you have, so, and then you can just do these spins and you can get a lot of free coins just by doing this. So here, for example, you have free spin, you need to tap in the bottom, and then I just claimed coins, and then you can see more spins. Then you just need to watch ads. So that's the idea, how you can get basically you can watch a lot of ads, and that's how you get. So here again, you go to your wallet, and then get free daily coins. First button is a subscription button in the bottom. This is where you just have these spins, and that's how you get it, how you get these coins. 10 spins per day available for you. You can get up to 800 coins.